Ever wondered how to turbocharge your content strategy? Introducing repurpose.io, a tool that every content creator needs in their toolkit. With repurpose.io, you can seamlessly distribute your content across various platforms. No more manual uploading to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. Just a few clicks, and your content is out there, saving you tons of time and effort. But repurpose.io isn't just about seamless integration, it's also about automation. As content creators, time is our most valuable asset. Repurpose.io's powerful automation features free up your time from repetitive tasks and allow you to focus on what you do best, creating quality content. With repurpose.io, you don't just work hard, you work smart. And let's not forget about audience engagement. Repurpose.io is a master at this game. By repurposing your content into different formats, whether that be videos, articles, infographics, or podcasts, you can reach your audience wherever they are. It's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about building meaningful connections with your followers and nurturing a loyal fan base. In the world of content creation, data is king, and repurpose.io equips you with the crown. Gain valuable insights into how your content is performing across different platforms, fine-tune your strategy, and make data-driven decisions that drive results. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, repurpose.io is your key to success. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Top-tier content creators are already reaping the rewards of repurpose.io. So why wait? Unlock your content's full potential and take your content strategy to new heights. Your audience and your bottom line will thank you. Ready to revolutionize your content strategy? Head over to repurpose.io now and let your content work harder so you don't have to. Supercharge your content strategy with repurpose.io.